Ready to unlock seamless access to Welocalize? This video will guide you through creating your Okta account, step by step. First, check your email for an invitation from Welocalize to activate your Okta account. It might take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient. Once you've found the email, click the Activate Okta Account button. This will take you to the Okta activation page. Now, create a strong and secure password. Make sure it meets the complexity requirements displayed on the page, usually a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your password by typing it again in the appropriate field. Next, you'll set up Multifactor Authentication, or MFA. For extra security, choose your preferred method. Okta Verify, Google Authenticator, or SMS verification are common options. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your chosen method. Great! You've successfully created your Okta account. Now, you'll be redirected to the Welocalize Okta dashboard, where you can access all the Welocalize applications and resources you need. Take a moment to explore your profile settings. You can update your personal information, like your phone number or security questions, to keep your account secure. If you run into any issues, don't worry. Welocalize provides helpful resources and support. Look for a help center link or contact support directly. And that's it. You're all set to securely access Welocalize through Okta. Enjoy a streamline and secure workflow.